Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project, a robot that can dream, recognize and greet visitors, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. As functionalities of robots continue to increase, the rate increases as well. This economical robot can not only recognize human faces but also see dreams. The components we need here are a Raspberry Pi 4 board, Pi camera with CSI ribbon, SD card, DC power adapter and a 3D printed robo face. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.